Ali here from Solid Trades. So Tesla is coming down recently and few people asked me if it's a good place to get in. So I thought I'd make a quick video on it. So if you're looking to buy some Tesla shares and wondering what are the good prices to get in for good risk to reward, then you want to stick to this video and watch this video till the end, because in this video I will be breaking down Tesla chart and pointing out some key areas where I think it's best to get in, and also be explaining my thought process so you can actually learn something from it and be able to do your own technical analysis. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so looking at the Tesla chart, I can see two levels that are very key, and if I zoom in further, the number one level is around this 880 875 area. Notice here how this was the previous high. Now the stock is coming back down to the same area again, right here, coming back down to the same area again, where typically when the stock breaks out, it comes back down to the same area before doing another bounce. Okay, so it's coming down to the same area. However, it's really possible that we see Tesla come back down because of the momentum. It could come down further, and the next level for that would be this level around $800. And I really like this $800 level. If I zoom in further, notice here, this is the area where it all started. Notice here how when it broke out and it just went up straight 500 points. Is it crazy? 500, from 800 to almost 1300, which is 500 points. So this is a very strong area. So what I want to see is if it comes back down, which looks like it's gonna come down at least till here. But if it does come back down, don't freak out. You maybe want to like divide your orders into two and then get some here and then get some here, and then look for a nice bounce. So you can at least get like a couple of hundred points on the bounce here on Tesla. So let's just forward back here. And also I actually want to do, for the reference experience, what I'm talking about for some of you it might not make sense just because you just have never seen something like this before. So for example, AMC, notice here, right here, AMC had a massive breakup, right? Awesome, amazing shoot, right? People went crazy over it. It was a meme stock and everything, right? And then everybody thought it was gonna go to the moon. However, it didn't go yet. But I mean, it's still possible. Anything is possible. But main point, what I'm trying to show around here is this. Look, where did it come down to and bounce here? This is the previous high right here. If I just draw a line right here, and look what happened. It came down to the same area where it had a breakout at, and it came down to the previous area, and that's where it bounced from. Easily bounced 10 points, right? And it's probably going to continue. Let's look another example here real quick, which I have in mind is AMD. Yeah, AMD, really nice one. Similar thing here, actually very similar chart to Tesla. Notice here what's going on. So had a nice breakout right here. This is the breakout area. You see the high of the day, and the stock broke out right here. Broke out, came down, same area tested, which was this high, and then the stock pushed even crazy. So now if you apply the same exact idea, it would be right here, 122 area, which was the high of previous. So it's gonna come down here and then probably bounce. It could easily come down more, but that's where you want to see how it actually reacts around this area. And if you see some sign of bounce, that's where you want to enter. Okay, so let's just go back to a Tesla and check it out here. Tesla, similar things happening here. So now we want to see around this area, so 880 and 890. These are the two areas. So watch for this area. If you're a long term, I would look to buy around this close to 880 area. Now anything could happen. Now let's say that, hey, the stock comes down and you expect a bounce, but it doesn't. Instead of just doing this and start to go down further, I would want to get out. I would probably get out because this clearly is a very strong area. You want to see some sort of bounce. Okay, if it's not bouncing and it's just like strolling around and it's just going down, I would get out because there's something fishy going on. Okay, so because anything could happen, so always have risk management in place before getting into a trade. And that's how I want to end this video. So 880 and 809. All right, guys, take care. Bye.